Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jessica Henry Gray and I'm excited to come on here today to talk to you about a workshop that I have coming up in October. And this will be the last workshop I have for this year, 2021. This workshop I have coming up is designed to get you prepared for plein air painting. So the way that it works is I have 4 sessions in this workshop. They are every Tuesday, and the design is that it is a Zoom workshop. However, we've put together sort of a hybrid workshop. In this workshop, Preparing for Plein Air, we are combining the best of live Zoom interactive sessions with a pre-recorded high-definition demo. A week before each session, I will send you a link to a demonstration lasting about an hour. This is really the most effective way to show you my methods of painting, and they will be the high-quality videos that you are used to seeing on my YouTube channel. Compared to live demos or even Zoom, where your view may be limited or blocked by other students, sending out a pre-recorded video is truly the best way to watch a demo. So we send that out ahead, and then you are able to watch it on your own free time, allowing you the freedom to start and stop and rewatch and take notes and just practice along with during the course of the video. And then we meet at our appointed Zoom meeting times for 2 hours to discuss the workshop, to talk about your painting, or to have me just be there with you as you go through the lesson and paint the project in the video. Working at your own pace is the most comfortable way, and we've heard wonderful response from people who have been taking our Zoom videos doing it this way. I will be teaching the fundamentals of plein air painting. In my videos that I send, I will be actually out in the field demonstrating how to set up equipment, what's the best equipment to use, how to be efficient, how to select a place and choose your composition based on what you see before you. I also will be teaching you about color mixing and how to mix colors to more accurately represent what it is you're seeing. I will teach about painting different elements of nature between water and colored trees, greens and blues. And I'm sure we will get some beautiful fall colors because this workshop is in October. So I will give you a lot more information on my website. I encourage you to take a look and check it out. I think you're going to really enjoy these hybrid workshops that I'm putting together for Zoom. We're getting a lot of really positive feedback from ones that we've done before, and I hope to see you sometime at one of them coming up. All right, thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you later.